Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today I want to show y'all how to use this arranger window in the machine, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited about this one because I finally learned it myself, and I just want to pass on the information to y'all. Now I got the actual machine pointed at the camera, or the camera pointed at the machine. I got the actual camera pointed at the machine because there's certain things that I do on the machine that I'm just used to doing. So I just want to show y'all that, and also have the computer window up as well, so y'all can see what's going on there. So yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Especially this video help y'all. Let's go. All right, so as you can see on the window up here, we are like on scene one, and everything is grayed out. You know what I mean? If I hit play right now, nothing will happen. You know what I'm saying? Now, what if you run into a situation where that has happened? You know what I mean? You like wondering why my patterns are grayed out. You know what I'm saying? It's just simply because you got them disabled. You know what I mean? And it corresponds with the actual scene, which is what I'm gonna show you how to set up. You know what I mean? So these scenes, right? These scenes are actually like, think of it like a movie, things that happen. You know what I'm saying? So things that are happening in your beat, you can set up various scenes. You know what I'm saying, to make those things happen in a certain arrangement. You know what I mean? Which is the other window we'll get into. This is the arranger window. You know what I mean? And this is where you set up those scenes for this arrangement of this movie. We got this one pattern right here, and we got this other pattern in another group, and we got this other pattern in this group. We're gonna keep it simple. Right now, we just got this up right now. That's my first scene. I wanted to come in just like that. Now I'm gonna set up a second scene. You know what I mean? And you can actually do that on the unit too. Go to the scene window here. I got the first scene here. Let's go to it. I got the first scene here. And then I got this second scene here that I'm about to set up. I don't want the drums yet. I want this. I want that to come in. So I want those two patterns to be a part of my second scene. Now, this third scene, I just want everything to drop. Let's go back to my pattern window, hit that pattern, go to group A, hit that pattern, because I just want everything to come in. Now, we got our movie set up. This is how we want it. So you click that button up there, or you can click the, on the unit, you can hit the arranger window right here, and you hit create, and that creates the first slot for your scene. So we're gonna go with scene one, then we're gonna create another one, then we're gonna go with scene two, then we're gonna create another one, and then we're gonna go with scene three. Yeah, so we're gonna duplicate scene three, and then when it gets to scene five, that's when bring back uh we'll bring back scene two. So yeah, let's see how that sounds. Hit restart loop. Yeah. Talk that talk to him. You know what I'm saying? So I know what you're thinking. Say like if you wanna have the drums come in right here, you know what I'm saying, instead of coming in on scene three like that. This is basically how you do it. Before we do that though, I want to point out something to y'all. If you look at my arranger window, right, you'll notice that one of the scenes when I duplicated it, it set up these patterns that look like this with this one in parentheses on the outside. That happened because I have it set to duplicate scenes and patterns. And you do that in this window right here. You know what I'm saying? You go to default, scene slash selections, duplicate scene and patterns. You want to do that because, for an example, you want the drums to come in right here. This pattern needs to be duplicated. It needs to. It doesn't need to look like this. You know what I'm saying? So it needs to be one of its own. So what we do is we'll go to scene two. I'll just click on it. It's already there, but you can go to scene two by clicking on it or going to scene and hitting scene two on the actual unit. But we're gonna be in scene two. We're in pattern. We're gonna put that pattern with the drums on it on scene two. Now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna edit that pattern and we're gonna duplicate it. Right? Boom. That's a whole. It's a whole nother pattern now. Now what I can do is um, I want to stretch that pattern all the way across. Now, since I don't want those drums in the beginning like that, I can clip them out, have them come in around the 5. Now let's listen to it. Now let's check it out. Now watch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. I hope this video helped y'all, man. It took me a minute to realize this, especially back in the day when I first started using the machine, man, around 2011. It did not seem this easy, you know what I'm saying? But it's pretty easy to do now, and it's pretty understandable, straight to the point. So yeah, man, y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Peace.